Erev Shabbos, Kodesh, Parashat Terumah, and in this parsha, we have the mitzvah to build the Mishkan, a house for God. And the centerpiece of this Mishkan was the Aron HaKodesh, the Ark of the Covenant, which was a box of sorts in which the actual 10 Commandments, the stones which Moses brought from Mount Sinai, were kept. And we have very, very clear instructions as to how to build this ark. The ark has to be built out of gold. And the gold was a box, and inside the box went a wooden box, and inside of that box was a golden box. So there were really 3 boxes, one inside of the other. And in the words of the Torah, v'tzipiso oso zahav tahar mibayis umichutz titzapenu. That what we really have is a wooden box which has gold on the inside and gold on the outside, and in there we place the stones of the 10 Commandments. The Talmud takes us to a very interesting place and says, one of the things that we have to learn from this box, from this ark, is how a Torah person, a Torah scholar, should behave. He should be gold on the inside and he should be gold on the outside. He should be, in the words of the Talmud, tocho kibaro. His inside and his outside should match. But this begs the question, if the ark is a metaphor for the Torah scholar, so why isn't it solid gold? Why 3 boxes? Why the wood in the middle? Let it just be gold through and through. And I think the answer may be that the wood represents our humanity, something perhaps even more important than the gold on the inside and the gold on the outside. We are human beings. And as such, we have to look at our humanity as a reality. We can never fault ourselves for being human as the challenges of life come upon us, as we have certain feelings. Maybe they're feelings of anger or feelings of jealousy, but they're also feelings of pride and feelings of happiness. Those are human feelings. To take it even a step further, not just we cannot fault ourselves for being human, but we should be proud of that. That's the way God created us. We are humans. And as humans, we have to work so hard to put gold on the outside and gold on the inside and be a real Torah personality, but never forget who we are and what we are, and we are just human beings standing before God. Shabbat Shalom u'Mevorach.